Hello Anashe, this is the YouTube Pagan Challenge. I haven't done one for a while because I had important things to do, and I still do have important things to do, which I'm postponing by doing YouTube Pagan Challenge. This would be YouTube Pagan Challenge number 27. Do I use mantras, affirmations and chants? Well, I have my own purification chant that is uniquely my own, and funnily enough, I sing it in Japanese. Yes, I won't be singing it for you because it's like a personal thing that I use to cleanse people out of hexes and things. I can say that it's a spell of my own, but that I have myself written, but I think I channeled it a little bit. It's not like completely my own, so I don't think it's like my own to share. And funnily enough, even though that chant is in Japanese, it's a Vodunsi chant. It's a Vodunsi chant, and I am aware that I'm completely being an ass here, and and whatever. But this is, I'm doing this cultural appropriation in a way. But I'm a witch. I'm cross-cultural in a way, and I'm not offending any Vodunsi or Japanese people by using it. So it's my own. I am using affirmation, the in front of the mirror affirmation every once in a while, but I don't use mantras. I don't really, I really try to clean my practice from everything Indian, Indian in the sense that is coming from India, because I don't like that culture so much. I don't feel any affinity to it. I don't have a problem with Indian people. I like Indian people, I like their food. I don't feel connected to their religion and practices. So sorry, it's like I'm not. You won't see me like flying around with the chakras and and the yantras and mandalas and stuff. I much prefer to borrow from Tibetan culture actually for my magic. So Anyway, so no mantras. I do use invocations, I do use chants, and the occasional affirmation. And the affirmation, how I started using it was incredibly interesting. I had friends that they are no longer in Israel that told me that the way that they are keeping their health up is basically going to the mirror and telling themselves that they are completely healthy. And that has been useful for me, even though I have good health. I do have good health. If I get the flu or anything, it lasts for 24 hours and then it goes away, and I'm completely healthy. So, this is what I do. See you again in the next YouTube Pagan Challenge. I will try to do one every week, but I don't make any promises. Goodbye and Ashe.